Still in the dark with the storm and election coming, with thousands of Rockaway residents devastation across the peninsula. First came the
12
water,
days
then
later,
the LIPA finally has a plan. The LIPA and hundreds demand the sand. Clinton's visit post-Sandy Rockaway as part of new initiatives to help small businesses in areas fire, wall of water. In 1892, a large Superstorm Sandy can't stop Santa has been destroyed. It is no longer possible. In the wake of Superstorm Sandy, there are probably a million stories right here in the Rockaway Peninsula. Set Rockaway Business Recovery Zone. Mayor Michael new property tax relief initiatives to assist Dune or not to Dune. The Rockaway Rainbow Connection. Some Rockaway residents lost 116th Street on the mend.